I'm doing a $9 shop and deliver for Uber at the Fresh Market. I'm going to wear my meta glasses and let's see if it was actually worth it. They got some random stuff. It's like cupcakes, rose flowers, and whipped potatoes. So some random stuff. Might take a while trying to find all this stuff, but they let you know which section it is in. Fresh Market isn't a huge store. It's not like Walmart or Sam's Club. So let's see how this goes. So the flower section was right when I walked through the door. I needed to get orange roses and then yellow roses, I think. But the problem is I'm colorblind, so these all looked orange to me. So when you're doing these shop and delivers, there'll be a scanner in the app, and you'll scan it, and it'll either say you got the right one or the wrong one. So I kind of just took a guess, and it was right. So now the next one, I'm going to scan these ones. I've done a lot of shop and delivers. I've never gotten flowers though, but so far it's going pretty smoothly. They're both into the cart. Now I know that the hot food, the hot potatoes that I have to get are going to take a while, so I might save that for last. Next I have to get the cupcakes. I'm not as familiar with these stores as I am at Publix or Target, but I figured they'd be in the back, so now I'm looking for the bakery goods section. And here it is. I found the exact little cupcakes that they wanted. The pictures they gave in the app were the exact same thing, so it was pretty easy. So far, moving right along. It's only been a couple of minutes, and the last thing that I'm going to have to get is the hot potatoes. So I'm going up to the hot bar over here. I'm going to have to let them know that I need 1 pound of hot Yukon potatoes, I think it was. The problem is there was no one working there, so now I'm wasting my time that I'm not getting paid for, waiting for someone to come to the counter. That's why I like doing field agent or Moby, because you don't have to deal with people that work in the store, or even like a regular like McDonald's order. You just go pick up the food and go. But these shop and delivers could be a little stressful and they could take a while, but I let the lady know that I'm going to need these potatoes, so they're going to have to ladle it out, weigh it, and then I'll be off to the checkout section. So I checked out, and surprisingly it didn't take as long as I thought it would. You have to take a picture of the receipt for the Uber app, and now I'm just grabbing my stuff and going, and hopefully it's not too far of a ride. I'll check when I get back to the car. Alright, so it's 8 minutes away.
There's a longish driveway.
Make sure these don't fall. So there we go. Wasn't that bad. And as I dropped off, my phone was pinging and I got another $10 order. So I'm going to head over to that one. So this shop and deliver was pretty good. So if you want to try them out. You could make decent money doing them. Just try to be quick when you're picking up the food, because it does take a lot more time than a normal delivery.